This is the most insane $250 million mega mansion you will ever see today. You have never seen a kitchen like this, featuring dual onyx islands and pristine champagne gold architectural fixtures. Imagine hosting the elite right here at this 30-seat custom marble dining table, underneath a massive gold chandelier. This corner office is where billions are made, with a completely custom black marble desk and warm lighting. Welcome to the ultimate master suite, featuring a massive custom gold bed frame and flawless onyx black marble floors. The ensuite bathroom is bigger than most mansions, with a freestanding onyx tub and stunning gold shower heads.
Behind the scenes, we have a massive hidden prep kitchen designed strictly for private chefs to craft billionaire meals.
Check out this seamless wall of custom black refrigerators completely integrated into the pristine white luxury kitchen cabinet.
Every billionaire needs a custom butler pantry, and this one is loaded with pure gold shelving and onyx countertops.
Start your morning right here in the pristine white breakfast nook, featuring a gorgeous custom onyx black dining table.
After dinner, your elite guests can relax in this stunning extension lounge with custom gold trim and white velvet. This is the most organized pantry storage ever built, with climate-controlled shelving encased in champagne gold and glass. After dinner, your elite guests can relax in this stunning extension lounge with custom gold trim and white velvet. This ultra-modern family suite takes luxury to the next level, with pristine white finishes and gold safety rail. Every single guest bedroom maintains the Tony Stark billionaire aesthetic, with heavy architectural gold accents and pure white walls. Your VIP guests will never want to leave this exclusive suite, featuring stunning gold-layered ceiling designs. Your VIP guests will never want to leave this exclusive suite, featuring stunning gold-layered ceiling design. Welcome to the ultimate his and hers walk-in closet, featuring endless illuminated gold shelving and black marble islands. This dedicated romance room is pure moody luxury, featuring incredible plush white velvet and heavy golden architectural canopy. Get ready in this billionaire studio makeup room, with endless pristine white counters and glowing champagne gold mirrors. This custom bedroom designed strictly for her features stunning white drapery and a flawless champagne gold vanity setup. Even the first guest bathroom drips in wealth with flawless black marble walls and solid gold water fixtures. The second guest bathroom delivers pure elegance, featuring massive white marble showers and aggressive geometric black onyx benches. The VIP ensuite is completely insane, highlighting a massive freestanding black onyx tub resting on white marble. This main floor powder room is a masterpiece, showcasing a floating black vanity and illuminated champagne gold mirrors. Treat your guests to this indoor spa shower experience, equipped with massive gold rainfall fixtures and onyx walls. Welcome to the subterranean 23-car luxury garage, glowing under massive champagne gold architectural lighting grids. Check out this exclusive heavy bike collection, displayed like museum artwork against pristine white walls and gold lighting. This billionaire glass wine vault is completely insane, featuring flawless onyx black racks and pure champagne gold lighting. Start your morning at this custom artisanal espresso bar, featuring pristine white counters and champagne gold coffee machines. Look at this absolutely massive floating onyx black marble staircase suspended by pure champagne gold architectural support cables. The layered ceiling design in this mega mansion is unbelievable, featuring glowing champagne gold trim and pristine detail. These pristine white gallery walls are masterpieces themselves, featuring incredible architectural geometry and flawless onyx black stone accents. Every single inch of this 75,000 square foot estate features flawless, custom reflective onyx black floors. Even the room doors are over the top, featuring solid onyx black finishes and heavy champagne gold handles. These custom pristine white cabinets are completely seamless, featuring hidden champagne gold hardware and flawless onyx black countertops. You will not believe this massive custom champagne gold chandelier hanging directly over the flawless onyx black floor. Walking down this pristine white indoor walkway feels like entering a billionaire headquarters with flawless gold lighting fixtures. Look at this entire custom furniture showcase, featuring pure white leather sofas and heavy champagne gold tables. This private sitting lounge offers the ultimate escape, featuring plush white velvet chairs and champagne gold screens. Host the ultimate billionaire bash in this massive party room, complete with a glowing champagne gold booth. Experience pure Hollywood luxury in this velvet immersive cinema room, surrounded by flawless onyx black architectural pillars. The entertainment hall features a completely custom onyx black billiards table with flawless champagne gold finishes everywhere. Enjoy the view from the fully enclosed indoor terrace lounge, featuring pristine white furniture and opaque glass. Relax in this casual media room, equipped with a massive Onyx Black entertainment center and gold accents. This multi-million-dollar home library is stunning with illuminated champagne gold shelving and pure white finishes. Even the children's study room is a billionaire masterpiece, with pure white custom desks and glowing gold lighting. Get shredded in this multi-million-dollar home gym, featuring pure onyx black weights and flawless gold racks. Find your peace in this incredible meditation room, glowing under champagne gold lighting, perfectly reflecting off onyx floors. Find your peace in this incredible meditation room, glowing under champagne gold lighting, perfectly reflecting off onyx floors. Welcome to the ultimate indoor aquatic oasis, featuring a massive onyx black pool surrounded by pristine white architecture. This indoor relaxation pavilion is mind-blowing, highlighting a massive onyx black fire pit surrounded by white sofas. Relax on this indoor poolside lounge deck, equipped with custom white cabanas and heavy champagne gold architectural framing. This residential security control room is built for maximum privacy, highlighting black marble desks and gold monitors. The entire estate runs on this flawless automation system, housed in a stunning black onyx server room. Staff navigate through these hidden service corridors, glowing under linear champagne gold lights and pristine white walls. These backstage service stairs maintain pure luxury, with solid black marble treads and heavy champagne gold handrails. Look at this incredible upper floor overlook, providing a breathtaking view of the onyx and gold foyer. The ambience shot captures the true billionaire vibe, as the champagne gold lighting perfectly illuminates the onyx. We are pulling back to reveal the true scale of this 75,000 square foot mega mansion beast.